Welcome to Chemistry Simplified. In this video, we are going to see how to draw the crystal structure of sodium chloride. Though this structure is known to us from our school, still drawing the structure is little difficult. So let's see how to draw it with ease. So let's get started. So we know that the formula of sodium chloride is NaCl, contains sodium ion and chloride ion, and it is a 1:1 ratio ionic compound. And we also know that it is a face-centered cubic arrangement. So let's get to the structure, how to draw it. Step 1, please draw a square then make it into 4 equal halves as shown. Step 1, draw a square. Step 2, make it into 4 equal halves. Then at each of the every junction, draw a line like this. So make sure these lines are of same length, so you will get a beautiful structure. So at all the points of the intersection, draw a line like this. So we are just drawing it. So once you have drawn like this, you have to connect these points together with another straight line. So you can see how I am just connecting it. So with the top layer is fine, and go to the middle layer 1. So once you connect it, you can see like the structure is slowly growing up. So we just connected these. Next, we have to connect these points with a straight line. You can see here. So we're just drawing and connecting them. So all these points we are connecting. So once you connect them, you will be surprised to see the cubic structure, which is seemed to be very difficult to draw. You have drawn it very neat and easy. So now, after drawing the skeleton structure, now we have to add the ions into the structure. So let's get started from the middle. Assume the chloride ion to be a big circle and sodium ion to be a dark small circle. So I'm just taking as an example, I'm just filling up the sodium at the center. So you know the adjacent point connecting to this point should be a chloride ion. So I'm just adding chloride ion to all the adjacent point connecting the point. So there are just then for this chloride ion, so we are just adding sodium. So we are just adding sodium. So now you understood that if this point contains sodium, the adjacent point should contain chloride. So we are just filling up chloride. So start filling up the ions. Alternatively, so it will be easy. So make sure you fill it at all the junctions without fail. So you could see it. So finally the structure is ready. So now you have drawn the crystal structure of sodium chloride. We can also find out the coordination number. Check out the middle one. It is surrounded by chloride ions. So I'm just counting the number of chloride ions. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So each of the sodium ion is surrounded by 6 Cl minus, that is the chloride ions. Hence the coordination number six. As this is a 1:1 ratio, likewise each of the Cl minus ions are going to be surrounded by 6 sodium ions. Hence the coordination number going to be 6. Thank you for watching.